The Buddha used the word merit as punya. Punyani paralokasmin. After our death, there is nobody else to help us. Only our own karma. But some people still believe that after their death, when people put something into their coffin, they get in the next life. Do you know, according to my observation, I noticed Chinese are the most cleverest people in this world. Do you know why? They are the only people who open a bank in hell. Americans also could not do that. Not only that, they produce currency note, valid in hell. What happened? When they burn this currency note, one who is in hell receives just like a fax message. See how clever they are? I understand in Taiwan there is a modern method. Because every day they are burning, especially this period, your good friends coming. This period, they burn and burn and burn, and the whole country, the smoke. So now they have introduced credit card system. Put the credit card into the coffin, finish, nothing to burn. I think better to introduce in Singapore also. Another thing that I noticed, Chinese ghosts are very obedient ghosts. Because there is a proper time for them to come out, there is a proper period for them to stay, proper time for them to go back. But all the other devils come and disturb us every day. See how good they are. You give only one chicken leg, they satisfy, go back and sleep for 1 year. You know. Very good. So, my dear friend, we had to use our common sense, intelligence, without following traditional method, practices introduced by our forefathers when science and various other modern educations were not advanced for us to understand the nature of life, nature of death, nature of birth, nature of the world. They were in the dark. The method they started to avoid certain fear and worries and disturbances, still we follow. Time has come for us to minimize as much as possible. Because we notice the other religionists take the advantage to condemn, to ridicule what Buddhists are doing. They say Buddhist. Whatever Chinese do, poor Buddhism get the blame. Because all these things they burn and burn and burn, where did the Buddha ask you to burn all these things? He asked you to burn only one thing, jhana. Attainment of jhana means burning. Burn your defilement, burn your anger, burn your jealousy, burn your greedy, burn your selfishness. Jhana. Burn only these things. Not the papers and joysticks and everything.